Today I'm going to add some festive theme into my weekly spread, because what it does is it actually adds a joyful and stress relieving experience. I'm going to walk you through 5 little, just very simple Christmas tree line drawings, so nothing fancy, yet gives a nice impact to the page. So what I want to do is I want to share with you how this can boost your focus, your productivity, as well as your well-being. So I'm gonna, share some creative touches to transform your planner spread, and hopefully you too can get some inspiration and ideas. So without further ado, let's go. So this time of the year, you're probably experiencing a lot of overwhelm, a lot of burnout, looking at blank weekly spread and going, what do? I'm so busy. We've got all this endless to-do list. Planning shouldn't feel like it's just another task. It should be a moment of calm, creativity, and clarity. We're going to use our planning as a break to look forward to. Look at it as a chance to reset, reflect, recharge, as well as focus on the week ahead. This one is my bullet journal style vertical weekly spread. Let me show you the week before. Here in Australia, December is the start of summer, so I started doing summer themed doodle. So this week I'm going to do Christmas trees, and so I have already done pencil drawing. I will show you how simple it is, and also look at how the power of weekly themes in your planner can help you focus. I use my weekly planner as a functional tool, but it's sometimes really important to have that shift and not just look at it for your to-do list, but also add themes to have that form of mindfulness, because it's a nice little break you can look forward to. It's your me time. So I'm going to use red, green, and gold or yellow markers. So here I have Tombow Jewel brush pens, as well as the Pentel Sign brush pens, and I'm going to use those colors to color in and draw my Christmas tree doodle. The power of themed weekly spreads. So this one I think is asparagus 1 to 6. So one end is the brush tip and then the other end is the fine tip, and it's the fine tip end that we're going to use. I'm actually also going to grab light gray. So I'm going to use a light gray because that's what I am going to use as my background for the date on my Christmas tree. So I'm just going to take the brush tip and just create a circle and another circle. Now, if you are doing a couple of layers as I am here, do be mindful, depending on thickness and weight of your paper, you don't want it to bleed through. So I'm just going to do all of that with these 5 Christmas themes. First color I'm going to use is the green one, and the first tree is just sort of like swirls, see, like little slinkies. Now I'm going to go behind that gray. It's like as if it's going behind. Okay, there we go. There's the first Christmas tree. Very simple. If you are running out of time, like I said earlier, if you're feeling overwhelmed and already burnt out, and you go, I don't have the time to be looking at how to draw Christmas trees and all these fancy stuff. Not here, babies. We are going to keep it very, very simple. While I'm doing all these Christmas tree themed doodles and talking about the power of themed planner spread, is I want to talk about the benefits of having a nice themed planner spread. So the very first one is a theme adds joy and anticipation, because planning itself on what can I draw, what themes can I have, it will bring joy and of course creativity into your planning session. For example, a Christmas theme like this one will create that joy and excitement, and then also when you open up your planner pages, you're going to feel like you're unwrapping a gift each and every time. Because how nice is it to open your planner spread and you got all these beautifully colorful themed whether it's Christmas doodles or Christmas stickers. And then we go for the next one. I'm going to use 993. So it's a little bit like a nice golden color. And the way I'm going to do that is just little lines. And again, we're going to have the line going behind that gray circle. And then you just, how's that? Now, how long did that take? So it's nice and easy. So this is a Slendy Plus eraser. You just go and erase any pencil markings that you have, and then it'll be nice and clear. So that's the first three. What do we think? It's something to look forward to. So that anticipation, anticipating something or planning ahead for something gives you as much of a dopamine hit as the actual activity or reward itself. So the second benefit of having a nice theme for your planner is it turns your planning into self-care, because you have to focus, you have to concentrate, you have to actually be mindful and concentrate on the task at hand, and it's a form of me time. So look at that, just tiny little pluses, and then in the shape of a triangle, and then add that little trunk. Make sure to let your markers dry a little bit before you erase. The second benefit of having a themed planner spread is adding all these different colors, using different markers to your planner spread. It feels like your little me time. It's a way to decompress while you're still being quite productive. Got Friday. So what's this one? I'm going to do red, 835. We're going to create the trunk from the top and just make it a little bit thicker at the bottom. Can you see that? And then just crisscrosses. Right, so you can choose. Of course, you don't have to stick to the green, red, and yellow. If you want to make it all purple, you can make it blues and pinks. Look at that. That is already so pretty. Adding these lovely themed accents and Christmas trees to your planner page is a nice creative me time, and you're planning for the week. So it's like a creative self-care in action. The Saturday and Sunday side of it, because I've divided it in two, I won't be able to fit in any Christmas trees. But at the top there, that in itself is already very, very pretty. So let me know, what do you think? Do you like it? If so, I would love for you to hit that like button, and make sure that, of course, any planning friends of yours that may not know about Mariane and the Plannerettes community yet, share it. That little airplane button, share away. So I've got a question for you that I would love for you to answer for me. What's your favorite theme idea for your planner? So if you don't have a theme idea, what's your favorite colorways? Have you got a favorite marker set? So do let me know in the comment section. The third benefit of having a themed planner spread is it enhances your mindfulness. You are concentrating at the task at hand. Now remember, mindfulness is about not worrying about the past, not worrying about the future, but just focusing on now. One of the mindfulness activity is breathing. So you're having to concentrate on your breath in and your breath out. That's what mindfulness is. It helps you focus on the little details and having to perfect the doodles or the drawings, or even picking out your favorite stickers. And it helps you to be completely in the moment. If you're picking out the right colors, the right pens, the right markers, it gives you a nice calming practice that can help start your week on the right note. When you start to look at embellishing your planner pages, as a form of self-care, as a form of me time, you start to enjoy it. And then if you are one of these people that go, I don't have the time, or if you do feel like taking time off will make you feel guilty or feel like you're falling behind, this is a great way for you to enjoy that moment, to have that little bit of calmness added to your day. It's a nice mindful moment for a busy week ahead, for a busy season. What it can do is it can make your planning less overwhelming, especially if you have a busy week ahead. What it can do is it can help balance or counterbalance that overwhelming feeling. When your week is framed by pretty doodles, lovely washi tapes, nice colorful markers, festive designs like Christmas trees, Christmas baubles, Santa hats, whatever it is, the to-dos that you're going to add below that or in your planner is going to feel like it's part of a nice, joyful routine. So it's not just, oh, I've got all these things I've got to do, list, to do, tasks. It makes it more joyful because you have a nice colorful planner spread. So that's one of the benefits of having themed planner spread. It takes the overwhelm from an otherwise busy week ahead, and your list becomes less like demands, like they have to be done. They can be part of, ooh, I get to do this task, and once I've done it, I can use my colorful markers and mark it off. Your planner spread stops being a to-do list and it becomes part of a joyful moment. If you are interested in any of the pens, markers, highlighters that I use, then you can go check out the links in the description. And also, if you're new to my channel and you like some of these printables, I do have freebies, and all you got to do is sign up to my free email newsletter. So for those of you that are popping by and you are new to my channel, I have plenty of freebies, so check that out. Want to shop any of my printable download? Why? You can go to my shop at marianecresp.com. There's the QR code. Got to do the plugins. The girl's got to earn some money, you know. You creating theme planner spreads or themes in your planner pages, it'll encourage consistency. You know why? Because next week I'm going to go and do another set of doodles or themes for my planner spread. And so what that does allows you to look forward to time off for your self-care. And then you go, well, I'm going to be more consistent planning out my weekly with beautiful themes because it's needed. It's not selfish. Self-care is essential. Whatever goals you set for yourself, whatever tasks you have on the list, you are more likely to do them, and then they won't get lost in the shuffle of things. So that's my current week. So I have the summer theme because it's summer here in Australia. I hope this Christmas theme spread has given you some inspiration, and hopefully you start to add some themes into your planner spread. Remember, it's not just about making your pages look pretty. It's about creating a tool for you to bring some joy, to bring some focus, and then also add that little sense of calm to your planning week, especially if you're going to have a little bit of a busy week up ahead. Take your break. 3 types of breaks you should be taking and you should be scheduling in your planner all of the time. So click or tap to watch the next video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye everybody. Bye-bye.